Okay, students, I want to show you how to use the snipping tool to take a screenshot or part of a screenshot of the email that you send to your Italian friend, and how to use some of the tools within the snipping tool to highlight and mark things up according to the assignment instructions. So the very first thing is, if this is the snipping tool right there, that pair of scissors with kind of a red and white circle, I have it pinned to my toolbar, but you probably don't. And if not, that's okay. Go over here and click at the bottom left corner, click the Windows tab. And what you're looking for is something called Cortana. You might have it over here. Cortana is just that circle. Or if you don't have it, scroll down to the C's and click Cortana. And then type here to search. You are going to look for snipping tool, and that's going to pop open right there. And you'll get something that looks like this. It's not a full window, just a short little toolbar. And so then whatever you click, so then go to what you want to take a picture of. And here is the sample email that I have. Open your snipping tool again, click new, and when you click new, you're going to get everything kind of grayed out. And I'm going to take a picture of this. Now, I'm doing a draft email. I want you to actually do the sent email. So go into your sent inbox and show me that it was actually sent at what time and all of that. But so drag it over the text, take a picture, and then you're going to get a new window that pops up. And you have a couple of tools that you can use for marking this up. The first one is the highlighter. So click on that highlighter, and I'm asking you to highlight your prepositional phrases. So drag it over. It's not going to be a very neat line, but drag it over what you want to highlight, which is your prepositional phrase. Then come over here and click, I don't really care what color you use, but click the pen tool, and you have red, blue, or black. I'm going to do red, and I asked you to annotate the different parts. So in is a preposition. You can just put prep. Your handwriting is probably not going to be great. And then Houston is the object of the preposition. You can just put OP. There we go. Then you go File, Save As, and it's going to save it as a PNG file. That's an image file. Title it whatever, Italian email prepositional phrases. Save it somewhere where you can find it, and then upload it to your Google Classroom assignment. And that's all you do for taking a screenshot.